Atlanta's in Georgia, but nice try.
Look at
Georgia is in Atlanta.
That's what I just said. Mom said she's
bottom
going to
of the
Florida. I said
second page.
Atlanta's in Georgia.
Right, bottom
I feel like a 20-year-old.
Look at the bottom of the second page.
Third page.
Third page.
Or third
There's
page.
no bottom
Mike,
of the
be
third
careful.
page.
Very left.
Oh my God, they're gonna teach me to finish my songs.
Well,
Then you're gonna have to perform them for us.
Mom, look at this.
I can't sing.
Jane and Leo sing for you.
I can't sing.
That's a
No.
great
If
idea.
I can only write. I
If you
can't
can
sing.
write, then somebody else can sing. You don't need to be the singer.
Oh my God, I'm gonna need Emily Sailors.
Look at this.
Let me see it. So I get to be.
Emily, were you part of this?
3 days?
No.
Oh my God, she is gonna
Is
fall
this
in
one
love with
getting
me.
out of this?
Emily
Here's a
Sailors.
lesbian.
Whether
Who is
she
she?
wants to or
She's a
not.
lesbian.
Indigo Girls. Oh, is she the is she one of the
Yes,
Indigo Girls?
she's one of the Indigo Girls.
Oh my gosh, how did you find that present?
Because they have an annual. I've seen it, like for the girls, but like I've never like. They have an annual.
You better do it.
Michael, if you
Girls
were
that
Emily,
Rock
Dave,
like
I'm gonna
teaching
get you.
show.
Are you gonna do it,
can you
Mom?
take that thing away from him, please?
Yeah.
Well, you-
You wanna be on
that
the
is gonna be
stage?
No, I'm not
awesome.
gonna be on TV. But
Who knows?
God,
Oh my God.
you know they just had their cruise, their music cruise.
Ooh, let's go with her for the music.
Well, now you're gonna
Oh,
be.
yeah, let's
You're gonna
have
be
the
famous.
seat.
You're gonna be on.
That was
I made it.
is
Leo.
you and,
That's fine.
You don't even have to
fun.
know an instrument,
Yeah,
so it's going to
and
be
because
like
I'm not
Emily's
gonna do
choir.
this
I think
with
you could get the
You're not?
xylophone. You have to choose an instrument,
I'm pretty
and you'll
sure.
learn it
I
and
mean-
play it over the
I'm not gonna
weekend.
be able to do anything but stare at her.
She's probably 2 hours of the weekend. It's not like you're going to be hanging with Emily the whole time.
Okay, can you hand me those?
that is cool.